Take a ride in the 2023 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.